Hi, dear friends. This is Abhijit Sansgiri, practicing chartered accountant. I've been specializing in de-risking of risks, and I've spoken at various professional seminars over the last 25 years. Now, there's one question which is very important for all of us, which I would like to address during my discussion. Now, here is the important question. What is your why? The most appropriate answer to this question from your side will help you reach your peak state of accomplishment and happiness. When I started my professional career about 25 years back, my first client who had given me my first professional fees and most work I did for 5 years, he suddenly fell into bad times. I continued doing his work for another 15 years pro bono without getting a single rupee. About 5 years back, I clearly, vividly remember I got a phone call from him giving me a referral for one assignment, which the fee which I was to receive for that assignment more than adequately compensated for the free work which I had done for him all the 15 years. I completed this assignment, and as soon as I received the fees, I immediately called him up to thank him for the fact that yes, I have received my fees, but to my shock, I found out that he had passed away the same morning before. This made me realize that if you do your work with sincerity and honesty, the reward for that you will receive in the same year itself, in the same world itself. Live your life with purpose, do your work sincerely and honestly, and you will get the necessary respect, reward, and recognition. I'm truly fortunate to know my why. I'm blessed. I wish all the wonderful blessings to each one and all of you. Please discover your why. If you know your why, the how will manifest anyhow. As the noted German philosopher Friedrich Nietzsche said, if you know your why, you will live anyhow. Thank you.